Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of logging into your Buffer account step by step. Follow these simple instructions to access your social media management tools effortlessly. Step 1. Open your web browser. Launch your preferred web browser such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Step 2. Navigate to the Buffer login page. In the address bar, type in the URL www.buffer.com. Press Enter to go to the Buffer homepage. Step 3. Click on Login. Once you're on the Buffer homepage, look for the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter your email address. On the login screen, you will see a field labeled Email Address. Type in the email address associated with your Buffer account. Step 5. Enter your password. Next, click on the password field and enter your account password. Make sure that caps lock is off and that you type your password correctly to avoid login issues. Step 6. Click on Login. After filling in your email and password, locate and click the Login button. This will initiate the login process. Step 7. Two-factor authentication, if enabled. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will receive a verification code on your registered device. Enter this code into the prompt on the screen. Step 8. Access your dashboard. Once logged in successfully, you will be redirected to your Buffer dashboard, where you can manage your social media accounts, schedule posts, and analyze performance. Step 9. Log out when finished. When you're done using your Buffer account, remember to log out, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Log Out from the drop-down menu. Thank you for following these steps to log into your Buffer account. We hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video.